open up some great opportunities for you. You'll be able to understand in a better way how the tradings and how the market is working, and getting $3,000 from only $65, guys. 3,000, not hundred, but $1,000 from only $65. You can afford a new iPhone, new AirPods, like this ton of things that you are willing to get. So what I'm doing here, apparently I'm going for the long, guys, because you can see that price confidently breaks the level, and candle from a support just, candle just formed strong upward impulse and made a strong upward impulse. So at the same time, zigzag confirms an upward trend, upward move, and other indicators support growth as well. So we're going for this. I'm sorry, I'm kind of a bit tired today, and I mean, last 2 weeks I've been very confusing and very confused, to be honest, and very it's been very difficult for me as well, but I'm trying to work everything through and trying to not lose everything. But 3 seconds, bruv. There you go. Thank you for the seconds that made me win. $124. We have already multiplied our balance, almost multiplied it. Okay, going all in, going for long here again. Australian and New Zealand dollars right here, having $124, almost $125. So guys, the price rebounds from the lower level, and candles confirm upward movement as well. A zigzag and a super trend, both of them being supportive in the terms of going long, in the terms of uptrend. Yeah, I'm not afraid of going. There we go, $239 already in my balance. Great British pounds and Australian dollars right here. Going all in again. And going for short here. Yep, no. I'm sorry, going for long here. I'm sorry, I just received a notification on my phone, so I got distracted. So the thing is, after we have very strong growth, you can see that we do have a corrective candle forming downward. So yeah, we're just waiting for the possible, reversal right now. Right now we do have a rebound from the resistance level, and we kind of going low. We're kind of going for short, but at the same time, I believe we do have some time just to recover from it. $460 right there. Great. Yeah, the reason it may be confusing, the thing that when you see that the candle is going downward and rebounds from a resistance level and you want to play for short, but just wait for it. Wait for the great moment right there. Okay, British pounds and Australian dollars right here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we're going for long again, to be honest. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's not Australian dollars, it's Canadian dollars. I do apologize. I'm just finding myself very confusing right now. I do really apologize, guys, but I believe you see everything that happens on the screen. Just, I'm being a bit weird. So the thing is, after correction, the price starts to move upward again, and candles shows the candles show a rebound. Zigzag confirmed the reversal of a trend that ranks below the price. So yeah, kind of makes sense going long. Right. Okay. $832, I'm sorry. Moving to euro and francs here. I'm gonna go with the all-in again, and I'm gonna go for short, to be honest. Oh, the entry point was really great thanks to the candle. It just helped a bit. So what do we have here? Price just started raising, and even though we had an impulsive form and we had a pullback, candles start moving below the level, and the super trend flipped above the price. So feels so confident, feels so straightforward, I would say. Even though we do have a bit of risks in every trade that we do, that's kind of obvious. You can't really get rid of the risk. Okay, wow. 1,500, guys. So basically 105,000. 1,500. Okay, going full in. Betting all money that I have on my balance right now. Just want to play it hard. The situation is kind of okay, I would say. It's not that risky. Even though I'm a bit afraid. But anyway, I'm going for long. And by the way, we are having francs and the Japanese yen here. So price moves confidently upward. Candles form a strong bullish impulse. And super trend supports the uptrend. And guys, while this trade is being played, I would like to remind you about my Telegram VIP group. It is very much important for you in the first place, because that space open up some great opportunities for you. You'll be able to understand in a better way how the tradings and how the market is working, and getting $3,000 from only $65, guys. $3,000, not $100, but $1,000 from only $65. You can afford a new iPhone, new AirPods, like this ton of things that you are willing to get. I do really understand that there are a lot of young people that are watching me. There are a lot of people who don't really want to work. I completely get you guys, but you are willing to buy some new stuff, buy new clothes and everything, and so on and so forth. I do really completely get it, but you have to do something, and this is one of the easiest ways. Plus to that, I'm having the Telegram group that helps you in everything regarding the trading a lot. So as I mentioned earlier, do not forget to leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and subscribe and follow my Telegram VIP group. The link is going to be in the comment section, the pinned comment right there. Thank you for watching. Take care. Cheers, guys.